your name?
Thurston.
Thurston. Okay, I'm here with Thurston at West Marine. You guys are the only West Marine that don't do rigging, right?
And we have 8 in the country that do that.
Oh.
The only one in Florida.
Oh, the only one in Florida. Well, you're the only one I've ever found.
Oh,
So, okay.
Typically, other stores will send them to our production facility in Rock Hill, but you know, you can order stuff from us just as easily.
Okay.
And, sometimes, depending on where you're ordering from, Rock Hill will send the order to us anyway.
Well, you know, it's nice though to come in and talk to you about it instead of just like, okay, this is what I need, because I don't really know what I need. I like hearing what I need.
All right.
Okay. So anyway, we're fixing this line. He knows about that.
Now, typically, West Marine has a policy of not resplicing used line. Okay, that doesn't mean we can't get it done for you, but it wouldn't be West Marine that would be resplicing it. Now, as far as the new parts, we can easily make the new parts for you. And if this line is still working for you, we can get that done too.
Okay.
So having said that, I believe you want a new bridle, 15 feet longer than the one that you have.
Yes.
You want a new pennant, 25 feet.
If you think I could do 35 feet, I wouldn't mind 35.
Well, you can do 35 also, but you know, again, that I don't see why you can't.
Yeah.
Most people don't have a need to do it 35 feet.
The only reason is I'm trying to make up for some of the line that I lost.
Okay.
And I want to keep my toe.
It didn't look like to be much, but.
Yeah, there was more.
Okay.
I just didn't bring it all.
Well, you can always do that.
Yeah, okay.
So we can make it 30 feet if you want.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's do that.
Okay.
I feel like the longer toe, the easier the toe.
Right.
And it's a pretty big boat we're towing.
Mm-hmm.
It's not a tender. It's either a 33 or a 34. The center console. Yeah.
You want to be on about the second crest.
What's that?
You want to be on the second crest.
Yeah. I think that I am, at least.
The second crest.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I ran over the line.
So what else can I tell you?
Okay, so that's it. So then with the bridle that we have now, I guess you're just gonna. Are you going to add to it or just do a new one?
I would make new ones.
Okay, and then I'll just take that and use it as line. So with that bridle, could you do me a favor? Can you make new loops on it for me so I can use it as deck line?
When you say
Well, that one has a loop, so that's good. Well,
Okay,
actually,
this
it's
one-
fine. Yeah, I can use that.
well, this is attached here by a bowline and just a whipping. Same here. Did they have eyes on them? Well, on the other end they
One does. So just one eye on one end is fine.
did. And these look like were these pre-boxed lines?
No, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I think
All
you
right,
did
well,
it.
we can make you new lines, and then with these, you know, you don't need another eye unless you want an eye on both
No, I
ends.
don't. I just
Okay.
need it so that.
Yeah, we'll take it
It's
apart
good.
and we'll fix the ends so that you can use them for dock lines.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, cool.